Hi, I'm Kyle,
I'm Melinda.
and we help people grow great plants with our compost tea.
This is Sally. Sally cares about the environment, our soils, and healthy eating. Sally wants to grow her own food. But Sally has two brown thumbs. She's overwhelmed trying to learn all the things she needs to do for her plants. One day, while Sally was mindlessly scrolling, she came across Berkshire Worm's compost tea bags. Sally thought, gee, those look easy to use. I bet I could incorporate that one trick instead of trying to learn all the things. Sally decided it was time to fly. And by fly, we mean purchase compost tea bags and have the garden that she always wanted. Sally is super happy with her purchase. She now enjoys her garden regularly and feels good about how she is treating the earth. She has even had time to learn about new ways she can reduce her carbon footprint. Be like Sally and head on over to berkshireworms.com to order your compost tea bags today.